I personally have seen such a major difference in my snoring. I don't snore anymore because of weight loss, and I've seen so many other people getting their sleep patterns better just because they've lost weight. So one of the most important things that you can actually do is focus on your health and focus on losing weight. If weight is one of the issues, then don't sleep on your back. हमेशा सोचना है कि आपका air flow कैसे सही रहेगा. Don't sleep with dry mouth. Have a clean, calm environment when you sleep, so that every time I gained weight, I have become the snoring person. एक बार तो my brother Prince, he recorded me snoring my heart away. I was around 90 kgs and I was like so it wasn't funny, but it becomes a little embarrassing or it becomes a problematic for people who are sleeping next to you. तो क्यों snore करते हो आप? फर्स्ट इज आपकी नोज ब्लॉक हो सकती है, सेकेंड आपको स्लीप एपनिया हो सकता है, आपका ड्राई माउथ हो सकता है, या फिर you have excess weight and it creates a fatty layer around your neck and throat, so it restricts the movement of air in your respiratory system, upper respiratory system. तो आप जब सांस लेते हो वो ठीक से एयर नहीं आती तो करके एक वाइब्रेशन सी होती है बिकॉज यू जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ब्रीथ. या फिर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा बेली फैट है वो लंग्स पे प्रेशर डालता है एंड अगेन व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू ब्रीथ तो वो एक प्रेशर से सांस निकलती है तो आप स्नोर करते हो.